Welcome to another Doctors Express Medical Minute.
Hi, my name is Dr. Jennifer Garcia. I'm a family practice physician at Doctors Express Urgent Care, and I'm going to spend the next few minutes talking about hypothermia. Hypothermia is particularly important during the winter time because of the decreased temperatures outside. So I'm going to talk about the signs and symptoms of it and how you can adequately identify these patients so treatment can be started promptly. So anybody outdoors during the winter time or cold weather is at risk for developing hypothermia. So anybody doing any skiing or ice skating or shoveling snow should definitely take preventative precautions and wear layers of clothing to try to bundle up, in addition to using hats, scarves, and gloves. So what is hypothermia? Hypothermia is when your body is losing more heat than it can produce. So by definition, it's when your body's temperature is 35 degrees Celsius or 95 degrees Fahrenheit or less. Signs and symptoms of hypothermia include shivering, confusion, any gait disturbance, poor coordination, slurred speech. And if severe enough, there's a class called severe hypothermia when your temperature is so low that you'd start developing cardiac arrhythmias, shallow breathing, decreased consciousness, and ultimately death. So that's why it's important to recognize these symptoms and prompt treatment should be started. If you or a loved one suspect that you might be having hypothermia or any of these symptoms, what do? So you want to minimize any further heat loss, so bring the patient or yourself indoors, wrap the patient up in warm blankets, take off any restricting or wet clothing, and I would call 911 or bring them to your local Doctors Express Urgent Care so we can assess them further.
This has been a Doctors Express Medical Minute. Doctors Express Urgent Care has locations throughout New Jersey, New York, Connecticut, and Massachusetts. For locations near you, visit doctorsexpress.com.